Is Tagalog the same as Filipino? Or is Filipino also Tagalog? Are you a tourist planning to travel to the Philippines soon, or an expat who has been living and working in the Philippines for quite some time? Then, this channel is for you. Hi, I'm Christine, and I've been teaching Filipino language to foreigners for more than 10 years now. Welcome to my channel, Learn to Speak Filipino for Tourists and Expats. What language did you search for when you decided to come to the Philippines? Was it Filipino or Tagalog? There are more than 100 languages spoken all over the 7,107 islands in the Philippines. Tagalog is one of the 8 considered major languages in the Philippines. Tagalog is the basis of Filipino, the national language of the Philippines. The 1987 Constitution provides that the national language of the Philippines is Filipino. Filipino, the national language, is made up of Tagalog, all other major languages in the country, Chinese, Spanish, and English. Now let's point you to the right direction. Filipino refers to the national language of the Philippines as well as the citizens of the Philippines. Okay, so I am a Filipino, meaning a citizen of the Philippines. I speak Filipino, the language of the Philippines. And in this channel, you will learn how to speak Filipino, the Philippine national language. Now, what did you search for? Tagalog or Filipino? Let me know in the comment section. Make sure to get that most important tip to practice Filipino in the next video.